In a large and busy town, there lived a man. His name was David. David was very successful. He owned many businesses. He earned a lot of money. People in the town knew him well. They called him a rich man. Every day, David worked from morning to night. He woke up early. He checked his phone first. He read messages about work. His mind was always busy. He had no time to rest. He had no time for people. He believed one thing: money is everything. He thought money could solve every problem. He thought money could bring happiness. So he kept working harder. He bought a big house. It was large and beautiful. It had many rooms. It had a garden and a big gate. But the house was always quiet. No laughter lived there. No voices filled the rooms. David bought expensive furniture, but he had no time to enjoy them. He lived alone. He ate his meals alone. He spent his evenings alone. He rarely smiled. Even when he smiled, it did not feel real. One day, David was driving home. It was late evening. Suddenly, his car stopped working in the middle of the road. David felt angry. He tried to call for help, but the signal was weak. He did not know what to do. He stood there alone. After some time, a small shopkeeper saw him. The shop was near the road. The man walked toward David. He asked if David needed help. David nodded slowly. The man offered him water. He asked him to sit and rest. He called a mechanic for him. David felt a little calm. He sat near the small shop. The shop was simple. It had only a few things, but it felt warm and peaceful. Soon, the shopkeeper's wife came with food. His children came laughing. They all sat together. They shared simple food. They talked and laughed. The shopkeeper invited David to join them. At first, David felt unsure, but slowly he sat with them. He ate simple food. It was not expensive, but it felt warm and fresh. He listened to their stories. They talked about their day. They laughed at small things. For the first time in many days, David smiled. He felt happy. Time passed quickly. Soon, the mechanic arrived. The car was fixed. David stood up to leave, but he felt something inside. He did not want to leave that moment. He looked at the shopkeeper. He asked him softly, "How are you so happy with so little?" The man smiled gently. He replied simply, "I have my family." David became silent. Those words stayed in his mind. That night, he returned home. He opened the door of his big house. The house was still the same, big, beautiful, empty. He walked slowly inside. He sat alone again. But now his thoughts were different. He remembered the small shop. He remembered the laughter. He remembered the warmth. He looked around his house. Everything was there, but something was missing. Then he understood. Money filled his house, but it did not fill his heart. The next morning, David made a decision. He wanted to change his life. He started working less. He gave time to himself. He gave time to people. He visited old friends. He talked to his neighbors. He gave food to the poor. He spent time with his family. Slowly, his life began to change. He started smiling more. He made true friends. He felt less lonely. One day, he visited the same shop again. The shopkeeper smiled when he saw him. This time, David smiled first. They sat together again. They talked like friends. Now he understood the truth clearly. Money can make life comfortable, but it cannot make life happy. True happiness comes from love, from people, and from simple, meaningful moments.